Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today I'm in Dudley near Birmingham to the Black Country Open Air Museum. It's a bit like Beamish. You've seen my Beamish videos. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not sure how much I'm going to get to see because people, I am not very well, but I'm here for you. So let's have a look around, eh? So they have live demos here. They have aluminium casting in there, or aluminum if you're American. And over there they have the clay bricks making. But unfortunately none of the demos are on at the minute. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to catch them. Not a bad setup for a shed.
Have a lovely day. And you. We need to sit up with it. So they're literally.
Ooh, I like the look of this street. Wow. A school. So you pop out one street and you're into another. And the shop with the line is the fish and chip shop.
So, first thing you realise, Mr. Chicken, what's another box? But at that time, the biggest manufacturer of bikes in the country was a company we don't like talking about because we like them.
Yeah, JT, but I always thought that I was set that off the first one.
Yeah.
Cool canal. I think that boat is no longer a boat. It's a sunk. Looks like a scene from Peaky Blinders, doesn't it? We're in the right area.
That's a pond,
Not the pawnbrokers I thought it was. Hey. There you go, folks. Listen to the girl. Help me out with a like, comment, and a subscribe. Well, folks, there you go. That was Black Country Open Air Living Museum here in Dudley, Birmingham. If I'm honest, well, God, I'm sweating. Tell you people I'm ill. If I'm honest, I preferred Beamish. I don't know if that's because I'm a little bit biased because my local attraction, if you like. I do. I prefer Beamish. And like I say, I'm not well, people. And that deserves a like, a subscribe, and all that good stuff. So I'll see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.